Welcome to Tasker Terry Assembly. In today's video I'm going to assemble this counter height table from IKEA. As you can see, I've already laid out all the parts. So here we want to pay attention to the holes. These are the two single hole pieces. The other two side pieces are going to have two holes in each. These only have one hole in each at the top. So we're going to attach these side braces with those screws. So each of these pieces has a big hole and a small hole. We have the small holes facing up right now. These two are going to have two holes facing up. Now there's a big hole and a small hole. We want the big hole facing down right now. And then we're going to attach all the corner braces to those as well, all the way around. Now at the beginning I actually made a mistake. I didn't fix it right away and I didn't edit it out of the video, just so everybody can see. It's not an important mistake, it's something that can be fixed. Now the two first pieces we had that I said there was one hole in each, we're going to put a dowel pin in those two side pieces now. Right after I put in this screw. And two dowel pins. Now we're going to flip that over and attach it to the bottom of the tabletop. But, oops, I've made a mistake. The board on the right is actually upside down. They should have those open grooves facing you, just like that. Now we'll take that base and we're going to flip it upside down, and those two dowel pins will fit in each side of the tabletop, just like that. Now we prepare the long screws with a washer on each. And they go in each of the holes. Now those screws should fit right down inside the holes. If they don't, then you have that board upside down. If you have it upside down, just unscrew it from the corner metal brackets and switch it around. But those screws should all fit right down inside each of those holes. And the last one. Now we'll go around and tighten up each of those. Great, now we're going to prepare the 4 legs. Now there are 2 of these screw type fasteners. We're using the large ones, not the small ones. One side has a slot. You want that slot to be facing up so that you can adjust it with the screwdriver left or right if you need to. Then we're just screwing in those screws. Put your screwdriver in the end there and turn that if you have to get it to line up with the screw. Now you can see one side has a flat side, the other side's kind of has a concave. You want to have the concave side facing where the screw is going to line up. That makes it easier for the screw to find its way in. Sometimes you need to turn them a little bit with a screwdriver. Get it in the right position. And one more leg. Next we're going to assemble the legs to the table. We're going to start off with one of the 2 that have an R on it. And just put it through like this and fasten it with a washer and a nut on the other side. Now we're not going to tighten anything too tight until the very end. So just finger tight everything for now, just like that. Next we're going to put in one of these middle braces. It's also a footrest. And it's going to go in this orientation with the open holes facing what will be the bottom of the table. Or the floor, sorry. We're going to use the special black screws for this. There are 4 in the package. Get that started. We're not tightening anything down too tight until the end. Next we'll put in one of the legs that have an L on the bottom. Same thing, line it all up, and a washer with a nut to hold it in place. Now we're going to use a left leg here. Washer with a nut. And just hand tight for now. And then the other support. And same position with the holes facing up, which will be the floor. This one had a little bit of wood stuck in the hole I had to push out first. Some factory remnants. And the last leg. One washer and one nut to hold that one in as well. Hopefully this video helps you out today, and if it has, please give me a like and a follow. Now we can go around and tighten everything up. I'm using the supplied wrench to tighten the 4 nuts on the legs first. Now you can go around with an Allen key, or if you have the proper attachment for your drill, and tighten up everything else. Don't forget to put the peel and stick felts on the bottom of each leg as well. And that's it, we're done.